Hello everybody and welcome back to my channel. Yes, I'm here to share with you guys what I got at Walgreens. It is a slow week, so if you guys really want to skip it, I say go for it. But there are some easy deals, especially with like some coupons. Just want to give you guys a heads up. Next week, Sunday, the new point system starts, so you guys can redeem points from 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 10, 20, and $50. Now, I've seen a lot of people ask if you're going to lose all your points. No, you will not. Walgreens will not take your points. The only way you will lose your points is if you become inactive or you're not rolling your points or using them after a year of inactivity. So, just giving you guys a heads up, Walgreens is not taking any points away. I had a couple people message me about this. They're not taking anything away. They're just, you know, they only expires if you guys are not using them after a year. But as long as you guys continue, you know, rolling points, getting points, all that stuff, you should be fine. And they usually give you a notice if you're going to be losing your points anyways. So, just want to give you guys a heads up on that. Now, I was shopping and I was trying to find some deals. Now, we got some really good digital coupons. Now, I was scanning with the Walgreens app, because usually what I do is when the coupon pops up on the app, that means I won't have a problem with the digital coupon. So there's two different scenarios that I have that the coupons weren't popping up at all, and I'm just like, I'm going to chance it and see what happens, because what they can do is they can just void out the transaction and I'll skip it anyways. So, but my digital coupons came off just fine, so I'm here to share with you guys what I got. Now, the best deal that you guys can do this week is the all laundry detergent. Now, I did not get those coupons in either regions that I can get inserts at, so I ended up ordering some individual ones. If you guys want to do this deal, you guys can order them too. But right now they're $2.99 a piece. Now, they are a limit of 1 each coupon per transaction. So I'm just giving you guys a heads up. Limit 1, but there's 2 different coupons. There's a $2 off for the pods and there's a $1 off. So you guys can actually combine those together, but you cannot use more than 1 of each in each transaction. So what you guys will do is buy 2 of them, buy 1 liquid and then 1 pods. You guys use the 2 and the 1 coupon. You guys will pay $2.98, but then you get 3,000 points for buying both of them, making them absolutely free. Now, that's a deal that you guys can pay with points and get points. So I am going to do a second haul this week because there's a couple deals that I wanted to do, and the store was still putting sale prices up while I was there, so I wasn't sure what was all on sale and what was not. But I'm going to definitely do that deal when I do my second haul. It just depends on when I get those coupons, so we'll see about that. Now, I did the Butterfinger and Nestle deal because I'm really craving candy bars right now, and these are great just to have in your purse or whatever. So these are 2 for $1. Now, we do have a 50 cents off a 2 coupon that you guys can use in the inserts we got from a couple weeks. My cat is driving me nuts. So you guys want to use that coupon, you guys will end up getting 2 of these for 50 cents. So that comes out to be $1 a piece, which I think is a pretty good deal. The coupon is a limit of 4 per transaction, so I bought 4 Nestle's and then I bought 4 Butterfingers. So definitely do that deal if you guys are interested in the candy bar deal. My cat is driving me nuts. She just keeps walking by me like she's all that. Okay, so the Crest deal. Don't use paper coupons. This is a deal where you guys want to use digital coupons. Now, a lot of people were having problems with the digital coupon from last week, so make sure you guys add it. I think the thing is, I saw the reason why I think it went away, because it was a $5.98 off of 2. The reason why I think it went away is because people were going crazy. Like, I'm in Facebook groups where I, you know, see people's hauls. There's one person who had 21 accounts. I'm like, that's just ridiculous having 21 Walgreens accounts. But they ended up taking that digital coupon away at the end, kind of the mid-end of the week. I think it's either too many people were taking advantage of it, or, you know, they just had a limit. They do have limits, so that's why they always, every time you guys see those digital coupons, make sure you know, use them, clip them to your card, because you never know when they're going to disappear. But I think they disappeared because people took too much advantage of that sale. But there is a 6 off of 3 digital coupon for the Crest Oral-B deal. Now, I always scan my items with my app to make sure the digital coupon will attach to that, but there was nothing. My store didn't even have these marked that you get a $5 register reward. And so, like, I had a problem with the Walgreens booklet, and I'll explain that. But the store manager, I says, hey, you might want to stay here, because he was helping me with that transaction. But I says, I never get register rewards for these kind of deals. So if you guys watched my second haul video, I think from like 2 weeks ago, what I learned is when I type in my phone number, my register rewards print out. But when I have them scan my card, they don't. So, and then when I want to use digital coupons, I have them scan my card instead of entering my phone number. It's weird. I'm trying to figure out their system, but giving you guys a heads up about that. But I ended up doing the Crest Oral-B deal. Now, these were $3.99 a piece. There is that 6 off of 3 digital coupon. You guys would pay $5.97 for the 3 of these, but then you guys will get a $5 register reward. I did have one. I think I left it upstairs on my desk. But it did print because I ended up typing my phone number in, and I did this also. I just did this a separate coupon. I didn't have anything else. But you guys would get these for 97 cents or just 33 cents a piece. Now, I usually say toothpaste you should always get for free or under 25, but I think for 33 cents for a toothbrush and mouthwash, I think that's a pretty good deal. So it's up to you guys, but $1 for all 3 of these, you can't go wrong. You cannot go wrong with those. So wanted to share with you guys with that deal. Now, I ended up doing the All-May mascara right here. Now, these are on sale for 40% off. And then there's a 4 off of 2 coupon in the booklet. Now, I scanned it, and usually it shows like the booklet coupon, but it didn't. And then when she was scanning the booklet, it said coupon not on file. So they ended up having to adjust stuff. So I don't know if it's everywhere that the coupon booklet is not working, the Walgreens booklet, but they had to fix some stuff for me. But the cashier thought, oh, you just take $1 off. I'm like, no, it's $2 per item. And then she's like, and I said I got 6. Like, the store manager and I were on the right page. Like, he knew exactly what I was talking about. She's just learning, and it was fine. I wasn't, like, rushing or anything. You know, I teach a lot of cashiers about their system. And then she asked me, like, their actual system. I'm like, that I don't know how to do, but I know how, you know, to what she needs to do and everything. So I'm teaching, they're teaching me, so that's how I learned. But anyways, these are $4.97. You guys want to use 2 $2 off coupons. Now, those coupons do expire, I think, on the 6th, so we have 1 more week left to use those. And then there's the 4 off of 2 Walgreens booklet. You guys would get these for $1.94 or just 97 cents a piece. So if you guys are interested in that, I actually like the All-May mascara. It's not that bad. I've used it before, so wanted to share with you guys with that. Sorry, I still have my cold, and my throat is all, like, scratchy, so trying to get by on that. But I ended to also get the All-May eyeshadow. These are my last 2 coupons that I have, which is okay with me. These were $4.19 with the 40% off sale, and then there is, you want to use 2 $2 off coupons plus the 4 off of 2 Walgreens booklet. You guys would get these for just 38 cents. That comes out to be, you know, 19 cents a piece, which I think is a pretty good deal. I am not a huge fan of the All-May eyeshadow. I feel like it's too sheer. I like to go bold on a lot of my makeup, but lately I just haven't been as bold as I used to be, but still wanted to share with you guys with that deal. I ended up doing the Revlon mascara. What's funny is this has, like, this is the waterproof kind, and I'm like, is that actual water inside? But it's like, it's hard. It's hard. It just makes you think that, like, there's condensation in there, but there's not. But these were $5.39 a piece. You guys want to use 2 $2 off coupons plus the 4 off of 2 makes it $2.78 or $1.39 a piece. Not the greatest deal, but still, if you guys have some coupons and you don't want to go to waste and you are brand loyal to certain things, definitely do that deal. So I wanted to share with you guys on that. One thing I do want to share with you guys is if you guys see any of those Wet n Wild coupons lying around, they do expire on the 30th, so that's in 2 days. I had some from the cashier, or from the beauty person who gave me some a while back ago, so I just used them what I have. You do got to use them in separate transactions. I've heard that people have problems with them. But my store that I went to had a huge pile. I didn't grab any of them, but I did tell the beauty consultant who was working today, I says, hey, these expire in like 2 days, and she had a huge chunk of them. I says, make sure you hand them out and give them to people. And she's like, oh, sweet, thanks for telling me. Because it's like, I hate, you know, free items, especially free items to go to waste. So if you guys have any of those coupons or you see any in the beauty area, make sure you use them before the 30th because they expire. So I had 2 coupons. I used these, got these absolutely for free. And I actually like this. It wasn't that bad. I have like a little lipstick holder right here where I change all my lipstick. And I have one open, I think. But it's not that bad, so wanted to share with you guys with that. And then the last deal I did, or actually no, I got 2 deals for you. I did the Scott's toilet paper and paper towel deals. Now these are $5 a piece. They're buy one get one 50% off. So you guys want to use one of each if you want. It's up to you. But I have 50% off coupons, so I used a 50% off coupon for this one and a 50% off coupon for that one. You guys would end up getting both of them for $6.50. It comes out to be like $3.25 a piece. It's an okay deal. I usually say $3 for that stuff is a pretty decent deal. But with Fetch Rewards, if you guys haven't heard of Fetch, Fetch is a website, or is an app where you just scan your receipts and you get points. If you buy certain brands or stuff, you get bonus points, and every 1,000 points is $1. So I usually save all my points up for Christmas. But with that, I'll get 250 points, 250 points, and then I get 500 points for buying 2 of them. So you guys would end up getting them after the Fetch. That's 1,000 points. You guys will actually get those for $5.50 a piece with Fetch, which is a pretty good deal. It's up to you guys, but $3.25 is without Fetch, so it's still an okay deal. And then the last deal I did was the Olay deal. No, I did this without my discount because with my discount I have to buy more. So I was trying to figure out what's the better scenario. Now there are different coupons to use. There is a 7 off of 4 and a 9 off of 5. I was going to do the 9 off of 5, but I'm like, you know what? I'm going to do the 7 off of 4 because that one's going to come off first. They always give you the lower value coupon first. So these were 2 for $11, so you guys want to buy 4 of them. $22 for body wash. That's crazy. You guys want to use that 7 off of 4 digital coupon. You guys would end up paying $15 for the 4 of these, but then you guys would get 5,000 points, making them $10, but then I also got 5,000 points for hitting beauty, so I ended up getting these for, you know, less than that. But anyways, $2.50 a piece is what you guys would get them without beauty. I scanned the item, the digital coupon did not pop up, but I had it loaded to my card and it worked fine, so it's something's going on. But I think $2.50 for this stuff is an okay deal. Olay is something I very seldomly ever coupon for, so I wanted to definitely do this deal because I love this body wash. This right here is my favorite body wash of all. I love it. I love it. I love it. The cover's not even coming off. I just love it. So I think $2.50 for this stuff is an okay deal. It just depends on what type of body wash you guys like. I mean, like the soft soap and Irish Springs, those are so cheap. You could, best thing to get them is like for $1 or less. But I think for like $2 for these is a pretty decent deal because it's something you guys don't usually get in your stockpile as much. So I wanted to share with you guys on that deal. But my total came to $22.30. Now, I don't ever pay that much money. I always use points. But I did do 3 transactions. The Olay deal, I did not pay with points. I ended up paying cash because that's a deal where if you spend 20, you get 5,000. So that's a deal where I did not pay with points. But my total did come to $22.30. I ended up getting $10 back in points. That was for the 5,000 for the Olay, and then I got 5,000 beauty. I also will be getting 1,000 points back for fetch rewards. Now I had to fix my receipt because it said something else and it didn't catch it, so I have to wait for them to fix that. And then I also got the $5 registry reward for the crest, but I left that upstairs. So my grand total came to $6.30. I got 25 items for just $0.25 a piece. I think that is a pretty good deal. Like I said, I'm going to try to do a second haul for you guys because I feel like there's just not a lot of stuff, and I want to share with you guys as much as I can, especially on a slow week. And there's that. But I hope you guys enjoyed my Walgreens haul. Hope you guys have a nice day, and I'll see you guys all later. Thanks for watching. Bye-bye.